One time I dug a hole in the sand. 5 trees all around my house. Birds like to live in them from time to time. I just got on the mic to write another rhyme. I don't know what I'm saying, this is what I'm saying. I don't know what I do when I get on a plane. I used to read magazines, but now the internet has taken over. And now I got my phone, even though it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. I download everything, but I don't got enough to see, so I'm a cry hat. I get enough stuff for like halfway through the flight. I got one show, one season of my favorite show, one movie, one song I just play on repeat. I got one single game that doesn't need Wi-Fi. It's not a good game, so I don't even try. In my bag, I got a chip bag. It kind of exploded all over the floor. There's chip crumbs all over the floor. I went to the store and I went to buy some more, but they were all broken as well. They just got crumbling shells. I just went to show and tell. I told everybody about my experience, and everyone clapped and cheered for my experience. Everybody knows I am seeing this with my own 2 eyes. You don't see shit, and I just believe it. You can't believe this, I just believe it. I believe in myself, so I can do it. You can't do it, you are so ruined. You live in the ruins of a former city where all the buildings are shut down because they only sold like one thing of hard candy, and nobody wanted that, so they just got out of the city. So now everybody has to live on the streets, inside the manhole covers where they sleep, tucked up tight in those jeans. that they stole from Old Navy. Old Navy moved out of the city 2 years ago because there's one person living in there. There are 7 people living in the factory where they made chairs. There are 20 people living in the factory where they used to make iPads, cases, and they were like child size, and they were purple and orange and green and blue, and kids drooled all over their iPad cases.
Newsflash, I'm not speaking to you.
They be testing and testing and testing, that's the way it goes. Flexing and flexing and flexing, hundreds and back rolls. You be guessing and guessing, but don't know how it's gonna go. Don't know how I'm gonna roll. I be blessing and blessing all of my family, yeah, the bros. In the checking, yeah, that's where all my money goes. I've been checking and checking into hotels across the globe. You won't find me around the city, my new place is unknown, but I know where I'm living now. I had to break out of my little old town. I'm on tour now, so I'ma come round to the places all the hottest rappers found. You just gotta listen for that new sound. Definitely I could say I'm up now. I can't count up all the people in my crowd, but you know they're singing my song really. I've been signing all of my pictures for my fans. What they saying and saying about me got me hurt, man, till I realized I had to boss up and notice I'm the man. They can't achieve what I can. They be trying and trying to get me signed, but they can't. I'm declining all of the offers that they send. Yeah, they're bad and they start crying when they know I'm not their friend. Yeah, a label's not my friend. cheesesteak, don't make a mistake. $2 cheesecake. $2 cheesecake. $2 cake. For the snack, $2 snack. Shout out Jack, texture pack. I only got $2 in my wallet, but I still gonna get a deal. Meal, that's a deal. Cause it's solution for me. Cost $2 a pay. I can get it every day. At the factory. $2 cheesesteak is a deal that I can't miss. I gotta pay it right now. I'm having this for Christmas. I'm gonna make this mistress.
My weed so green, bitch, you got a chroma key. Got a mission and it came with a new key. My life's a movie, yeah, it got a DVD. My rooms are spinning, everybody watching me move right through. You can't see me, but I can see you. There's a lot of rappers trying to break through, but they don't see the game the way that I do. My watch so cold, it feels like I'm on a freezer. Chain makes so cold, man, you leave a stain on your t-shirt. Bitch, I simply enjoy off the blood on my t-shirt. When you guys try to put my grills in, bitch, it just made my teeth hurt. But that's what I'm trying to do. Shining up the block in my whole hood. I got a wallet on my diamonds, and thousands of the diamonds.
I'm like Peter Steele, I got the swag in that shop. Bitch, I make up rules, and I call all the shots. I'm not in the trap, I don't look at penny pops. Somebody explain to me how words got all the thoughts.
My weed so green, bitch, you got a chroma key. Got a mission and it came with a new key. My life's a movie, yeah, it got a DVD. My rooms are spinning, everybody watching me move right through. You can't see me, but I can see you. There's a lot of rappers trying to break through, but they don't see the game the way that I do.
They be watching me like I'm their property. I predict the game, it's like a prophecy. I'm trying to get all this cat monopoly. Got to finish cause he won't stop topping me. They wanna fight, boxing me. But bitch, I won, I'm the king. I can rap, but maybe I can sing. But I won't do it, this ain't the beat for me.